Dear students, it has been almost a year since we could not have face-to-face classes due to COVID lockdown. Though we have been in touch, we have everything which is needed was reaching to you via online mode. For example, live classes via various apps, study material, doubt clearing via Resourcer, and couriers and online test series via online platform. Everything was reaching to you and kudos to you people, and I hardly appreciate कि आप लोगों ने इतना स्ट्रेस लेने के बाद भी वो सब चीज़ों को अपनी स्टडी को कंटिन्यू रखा. ये वास्तव में एक मुश्किल काम था इतना स्ट्रेस लेते हुए पढ़ाना, एंड वंस अगेन आप लोगों ने प्रूव किया कि नथिंग कम्स बिटवीन यू एंड सक्सेस. रेजोनेंस इज रेडी टू वेलकम यू ऑल फॉर ऑफलाइन क्लासेस with all proper protections, COVID measures. So come back fearless, join us for the offline classes. As always, हम तैयार हैं.